Hi everyone, today we will learn Nmap on Linux. I will show easy step, real scan and clear result. Let's start. This video is for learning and defense. Scan only system you own or you have written permission to test. Nmap is a network scanner. It finds live hosts, open port and services. It can guess version and sometimes the operating system. It helps you understand your own network. We use Kali as a scanner and my target is Ubuntu. The Ubuntu and Kali Linux is on VMware. You can use VMware or VirtualBox for your lab. Your victim with your Kali Linux must be the same network. Right click, come to settings, make sure to put on the same network. It is on host only, it is called Linux. Put your victim on the same network. It is also host only, okay. You can put on NAT and also on bridge. First step, we need IP address and the connection between Linux and Ubuntu. Let's zoom in. You can find your IP address with IPA. Here I have 2 or 3 interfaces. I need this interface with this IP address. Come to Linux. Here also you need to open terminal. Sudo su Kali. Let us zoom in. I think it is enough. Here check your IP address and also you can check with fconfig. Anyone you want. Now, my IP address on Linux is 192.168.207.136. On Ubuntu it is 137. I want to ping on Ubuntu. I want to check the connection is available. Yes, we have connection with Ubuntu. Linux already has Nmap. You can check with Nmap-V. It is Nmap 7.95. If you don't have Nmap on your system, you can install with this command sudo apt update and sudo apt install -y nmap. But I have already Nmap on Linux. It is available. We don't need to install. Let's start with this command. Discover live host. Host is up or not. This found devices that are online. You can do it with this command sudo nmap then sn-sn. It is for ping swap. Then write your IP address. IP address of your target. My target is Ubuntu. It is the same network on VMware. You can scan your own network. Please don't scan any network without permission. Do it with your own lab. If you don't have lab, I have one video how to create lab for ethical hacking. I will share this video in the description. You can create your own lab. Here add one other step, 25. It means you want to scan all the IP in this class. Hit enter. It will take a few moments. It is finished. Here is for host is app. Okay, you can see the IP address, and also you can see the MAC address. It is on VMware. It is on VMware. It's also on VMware. Okay. The other command that we can use, it is quick port scan. For example, you want to scan 100 port. You can use like this: sudo nmap, then --top -port. Here you need to specify your port, how many port you want to scan. I want to scan 100 port or 10 port or 50 port. Then write your IP address. After that, hit enter. It is scanned 50 port, but 46 port is closed. Just 4 port is up. Port like 21, it is FTP. 22 SSH. 80, it is for HTTP, it is for web. And also 443, it is for HTTPS. Okay, it is on VM. The other command that we need to learn, it is common TCP port. This command is scan from 1 to 1000 port. You can use just with sudo nmap. Here you need to write -s, capital S, small s, capital S. Then write your IP address. I'm lazy, I want to copy and paste. Then hit enter. Here we scan 1000 port, but 996 port is closed. Just 4 port is up. The other command that we need to use, we need to scan all ports. You can do it like this: sudo nmap. Then here we need to add 1 P. Let us do it like this. Here we need to add 1 more P, -P. Okay. After that, hit enter. This command will scan all available port on TCP, and also this takes longer. It will scan from 1 to 65535 ports. We scan 65535, but 65531 is closed. Just 4 port is open. Do this for UDP also. It was for TCP. You can do it for UDP also. For UDP, you need to change this -s, small s, capital U, top ports. Here we need to specify how many UDP port we want to scan. For example, I want to scan 40 ports. Then hit enter. Here we scan 40 ports. You can see which port is open or which port is closed. You can see some port is open and some port is closed. The other important command is for guessing operating system. What operating system is our target? It is so easy, just use sudo, then nmap. Here we need to use -small s and capital V for version. Then write IP address of the target, hit enter. Find the version of all ports and operating system. TCP is open. It is 3.0.5 version. The SSH is 8, and the Apache is 247. It is for HTTP and also for HTTPS. It is also the same, 2.4.7. The operating system is Ubuntu. Here also we have other information. Our target is Unix or Linux. A Linux kernel, okay, it is Ubuntu. It was the simplest step that we can use on Nmap. If you want to use advanced command and also run all Nmap commands once, you can use this script. This script is unique. I will share this script on GitHub, on my GitHub account. It is just for Nmap. With one run, you can full scan your network. Let us run it. You can run this script with these comments. Here we need some change. For example, we don't need this delay. This script was for making data set, but here we don't need this sleep 0, okay. Max sleep is also 0. We don't need sleep, okay. The rest is okay. You can run like this. Here we need to add the target IP address. Let's copy and paste IP of Ubuntu. I'm so lazy. Okay. Paste here. I think the name is not the same with this script. We need to remove something. I want to remove this class. Now the script name with this name is the same. Just hit enter. Guys, this script will take some time. It will take 30 to 1 hour. Depend on your network, depend on your system. Please use this script only system you own or you have written permission. Guys, it will take a lot of time. It is finished just 3 steps. It is on step creating. For example, in the second step or the second run, the Nmap scan 1000 port, but 996 port is closed, just 4 port is open. Here you can see the operating system and also the version of different ports. Guys, if this video is helpful, please like this video. If you want to learn Kali Linux and ethical hacking, then subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.